AP Academy Stock Market Series, Day 23, caption, Confused between equity trading and F&O. Let's simplify it for you. Equity trading versus futures and options. What's the difference? Equity equals you own part of a company. F&O equals you're betting on price moves without owning the stock. Ownership versus contracts. What is equity trading? Buy a stock, own a piece of the company. You get voting rights, dividends, and long term growth. It's perfect for investors who play the long game. But remember, stocks can be volatile. What are futures? Futures are contracts. You must buy or sell an asset on a future date. Traders use leverage, big trades, small capital, more profit but also more risk, ready to play with fire. What are options? Options give you the right, not the obligation to buy or sell. Call equals right to buy, put equals right to sell. Low risk for buyers, just the premium paid, but sellers' risk can be unlimited. Equity versus F&O. Key difference is equity. Buy shares, own a company. Great for long-term investors. F&O, contracts used for speculation or hedging, high risk, high reward. Equity equals stability F and O equals speed and leverage. Which one matches your style? Risks in equity and F&O equity. Risk from market crashes or poor company performance. Futures, leverage can wipe you out. Options, premium loss for buyers, unlimited loss for sellers, no free lunch in the market, always manage your risk. Still confused? Here's how to choose your path. New to investing? Start with equities. Want to hedge or speculate? Explore F&O but learn first. Always align your trades with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Be smart, be informed, be profitable.